Hi guys, I am going to teach you how to install Kali Linux in Windows 11 or 10 or other Windows. First of all, go to any browser and search VirtualBox. Once you search, then click on Oracle VirtualBox. And click on Download and install it on your Windows. As you can see the VirtualBox after set up the VirtualBox file which was downloaded from browser. And again, we need to install Kali file from the browser. Go to search bar and type kali.org. And then click on Download. Scroll down to the bare metals. Here we can see that Kali Linux 2022.3 changelog. Here you can download the Kali Linux for 64 bits or 32 bits or Apple M1. You can download it suitable for your computer or laptop. I already downloaded the file so we are going ahead. After downloaded the file, go to the virtual machine. And click on New and give the name of Kali Linux and set the memory location which is default and choose the Debian 64. And click on Next, and here you have to give the RAM for Kali Linux. After setting the RAM, click on Next. And choose second one. And click on Create, and then choose first one, and click on Next. Select the dynamically memory and click on Next. Now here you have to give the memory to Kali Linux. My recommended is 20 GB and click on Next. Here you can see that our Kali Linux is created. And click on Setting and go to General and Advanced and choose the bidirectional for both the shared clipboard. And go to Storage and click on Empty. And click on Disk and choose a disk. And click on Disk and choose a disk file and click on the file which was downloaded previously and then open. And click on OK. And click on Start. And choose Graphical Install. After choose Graphical Install, hit Enter in your keyboard. It takes some time, so wait. Then choose your language. And click on Continue. Here you have to choose your location. I am from Nepal, so I click on Other and scroll down and click on Nepal and click on Continue. And choose what type of language you want to your Kali Linux. Choose your language. And click on Continue. It takes some time. Here you have to give the host name. My recommend is set as default. And click on Continue. And then you have to give the host name of Kali Linux. Here also set as default. And here you have to set your username. And click on Continue. Again, click on Continue. Here you have to set your password for your username. And again click on Continue. It takes some time. Here choose the first one. And click on Continue. And again click on Continue. And again choose the first one and click on Continue. Click on Continue. And this is the most important things is you have to click on Yes. Remember, click on Yes. And then click on Continue. We are almost done. And again it takes some time. Here also click on Continue. Now select the second one and click on Continue. And again second one and click on Continue. After some time it is completed. And click on Continue. Here it will restart automatically after Continue. We are successfully installed Kali Linux. So please like and subscribe my channel for this types of interesting videos. Now here you can enter your username and password, which was set when you are installing the Kali Linux. And click on Login. As you can see, we can easily install Kali Linux in our Windows 11. You can use it as a full screen. Now here we are checking it is working or not by using the Kali terminal. Here we are using simple command to check the Kali Linux. We install in Debian 64, so our Kali Linux is well working. Now let's update our Kali Linux. To update you have to type sudo apt-update. Now we are done with installation. You can also upgrade your Kali by using sudo apt-upgrade. Let's make some files in our Kali Linux. First of all, go to the desktop and create a file whose name is file. Here you can see that we made file whose name is file.txt. Now let's use the root. Let's install some funny package in our Kali Linux. First of all, open terminal and type the command sudo apt-get install cowsakes and then it will start download. Let's use the package which was downloaded. Here you can see this. Now let's check our internet and sound. Here we are using the internet and hear the sound also. Now let's shut down the Kali Linux. Here you can log out or shut down your Kali Linux. Here let's check out how to open the Kali Linux. Click on Oracle VirtualBox and click on Kali Linux and then click on Start. Here you can see that our Kali Linux is opened. Now guys, we are successfully installed the Kali Linux in our Windows. It takes a lot of time to make this video. So please guys like and subscribe the channel. And comment down what type of videos you want. I will make for you. Thank you for watching guys, please subscribe the channel and like also please.